how to fix off quotes in MetaTrader 5. Here's what you want to do. Open up MetaTrader 5, and once you are on the quotes tab, usually you get this error because your internet connection is really bad. So what you can do is, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, disconnect from that Wi-Fi network and use mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and that should fix the issue. If it doesn't work still, once you are on the quotes page, make sure you refresh a few times by scrolling down like so. And the last thing that you can do is click on the lines in the top left corner here. Then you want to press the edit button here in the top right this time. You don't have to make any changes. You will just go back, and this should refresh the quotes and essentially fix the off quotes error in MetaTrader 5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.